is Rosie. Do you like my shirt? Isn't it pretty? It's pink and it has lots of sequins. Actually, it's full of sequins, you know. So I just had to buy it, you know. Well, it's okay. It was in a thrift shop, so it's just probably $2.99 plus. I'm a senior, so I get 30% discount. So I think it's just $2. There's no tax in gift shop, thrift shop, I think. If there is tax, that's okay. So it's just $2.10 or 15 cents. It's still very good buy, right? I know. I love it. When I saw it, pink with sequins. That's mine. Not a lot of people would want to wear pink at this age, which is, you know, a shame, because pink is a very nice color, and it makes your face shine, gives you a little blush, you know, and pink is a calming, has a calming effect. So people who are angry at you when they see you wearing pink, they might forget that they are angry. See all the advantages of wearing pink, and also because I love sequins, I love sparkles, I love anything that glitters, you know. Of course, I love diamonds. I don't have any of those. Anyway, I don't have diamonds. Alright, so this was, if you notice, the shoulder is right here, right on my shoulder, because it's small, okay? I thought it would not fit me. So I might give it to my daughter, but my daughter hates pink. So I knew I had to keep it, right? Okay, so I have narrow shoulder, so it fit right here. The shoulder is right here, you know, like right there. So it fits me well. The problem is the sleeves are kind of tight, so I had to force my arms through the sleeves, and so I don't know why my arms suddenly got big, because I used to have you know, skinny arms, and then I wake up one morning and I was fat. I got fat arms, you know, like really big. Can you see? Anyway, so what I did was, it was uncomfortable because I was afraid that it was going to cut the blood circulation. So, but I don't want to throw it away because I love pink, and I don't want to just leave it in the closet, you know. And so what I did was, I cut the sleeves. See that? Did you see it? See that? Okay, so it doesn't look nice like that. So what you do is, you don't raise your arms. You don't raise your, hey! Don't go to a sports game wherein if they score, hey, you win. Just remember to keep your arms to your side, be ladylike. So if you want to wave at somebody, you don't wave, hi, how are you? Like I usually do. So I just have to say, hi, how are you? So they might think I am sick. Because I always say, hi, how are you? But they might see the cut under my arm, so I won't do that. Anyway, so I like it. I hope you like it too. Do you like pink? Well, if you do, you're like me. Okay, that's it for now. I just want to show you my pink shirt, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.